Are you struggling with dandruff? Do you find yourself constantly scratching your scalp and feel embarrassed by the flakes on your clothes? If so, you're not alone. Dandruff is a common condition that affects many people, but the good news is that there are simple and effective ways to treat it. In this video, I'll be sharing a 3-ingredient recipe that can help you treat dandruff easily at home. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below. Firstly, let's talk about why dandruff occurs. The exact cause of dandruff is still unknown, but there are several factors that can contribute to it. One major factor is a yeast-like fungus called malassezia, which lives on the scalp and feeds on the natural oils produced by our hair follicles. When malassezia grows out of control, it can irritate the scalp and cause excessive skin shedding, leading to dandruff. Other factors that can contribute to dandruff include dry skin, hormonal changes, stress, and certain medical conditions. So how do you treat it? The recipe we will be using is a combination of 3 simple ingredients: apple cider vinegar, tea tree oil, and coconut oil. All of these ingredients have antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe the scalp and reduce dandruff. Apple cider vinegar is a natural astringent that will help to balance the pH of your scalp and reduce the growth of yeast and fungus. Tea tree oil is a natural antifungal and antibacterial agent that will help to reduce inflammation and itching. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that will help to soothe dry, itchy skin. To make this treatment, mix 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar with 10 drops of tea tree oil and 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. Apply the mixture to your scalp and massage it in gently. Leave the mixture on for about 20 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water and shampoo. Repeat this treatment once a week for best results. You can also use a diluted mixture of apple cider vinegar and water as a hair rinse after shampooing to help balance your scalp's pH levels. So there you have it, a simple and effective recipe to treat dandruff using 3 natural ingredients. Remember to consult with your doctor if your dandruff persists or worsens. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below what other challenges you'd love to solve. And before I go, always remember to live healthy, live happy, and know that you are appreciated. Until next time.